Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to pause your Amazon Prime membership. This is a useful feature if you want to take a break from Prime without losing your subscription entirely. Maybe you're traveling or just want to save some money for a few months. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Prime Membership. This will take you directly to the page where you can manage all aspects of your Prime subscription. Now, although I don't currently have an active Prime membership to show you, I'll walk you through exactly what happens next. On the Prime membership page, you'll want to locate the Manage Membership section, which is typically positioned near the top right of the page. Click on the option that says Update, Cancel, and More. Depending on your account settings, this might also appear as Manage Membership or End/Edit Membership. These labels can vary slightly, but they all lead to the same management options. Once you click that, you'll be taken to a new screen where you need to select End Membership and Cancel Benefits, or simply End Membership. This opens up the cancellation flow, but don't worry, we're not actually canceling just yet. On the next screen, Amazon will try to convince you to stay, showing you all the benefits you'll lose. Here's where the pause option comes in. Look carefully for a link or button that says pause your membership instead or pause membership, then click it. This is the key step that lets you temporarily suspend your benefits without fully canceling. You'll now see the pause membership screen where Amazon will present you with different duration options. Click the radio button next to the time period that works best for you, whether that's 1 month, 2 months, or longer. Take a moment to review the dates displayed on the screen. These show you exactly when your pause will start and when your membership will automatically resume, so make sure they align with your plans. Once you're satisfied, click Continue or Pause Membership to proceed. Depending on your account, another confirmation screen might pop up. If it does, simply click Pause My Membership or continue to finalize your decision. This extra step is just Amazon making sure you really want to pause. After you've confirmed everything, head back to the Prime membership page to verify that the pause has been set correctly. You should now see a message indicating that your membership is paused or ending on a specific date, along with details about when it will automatically resume. This confirmation gives you peace of mind that everything worked as intended. Keep in mind that during the pause period, you won't have access to Prime benefits like fast shipping or Prime Video, but the good news is you won't be charged until the pause ends or you manually cancel. It's also worth noting that if Amazon ever removes the pause feature in the future, you'll only see the End Membership option instead. And that's it. You've successfully paused your Amazon Prime membership and can enjoy a break without losing your subscription. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.